Hello dear viewers, welcome to Hearing Expert. Today we will be talking about what is the cost of a hearing aid, what do you mean by a digital hearing aid. Are digital hearing aids are costly? So we will be talking about these issues today in our video. So to start with, we will talk about what is a digital hearing aid primarily. So digital hearing aid instrument, it's an electronic device which is made depending on the percentage of the hearing loss. So if you see hearing loss, there is different type of hearing loss seen in different people. So when the hearing loss will be different in terms of frequencies, in terms of loudness, hearing loss will be calculated. The audiogram, the testing report will be directly shifted into the hearing aid, and hearing aid will amplify the things according to the loss. So it is like your hearing aid is made according to your loss. Then it will benefit you better. That is known as a digital hearing aid. In simple words, we can call digital hearing aid as it is a made for us hearing aid. So it is made for us like our spectacles are made for you. It will be made for you. So when in digital hearing aids, people usually think that digital hearing aids are highly costly. That is actually a stigma. But in present hearing aids, in today's technology, recent technology is highly developed, and because of the too much competition in market, there are main players like so many other hearing aid brands. They are giving a very good competitive price for digital hearing aids. So in digital hearing aids, we have several different types, starting from basic digital hearing aids, which will be coming with basic programming features and with basic noise reduction. So you will be hearing better in that hearing aid also, but it will not be as good as advanced digital hearing aid. So advanced digital hearing aid are the devices which will be equipped with programming as well. As well, they are digitally enhancing the sounds and giving better understanding, and they are interconnected with each other, which will give you binaural coordination. Both will synchronize the sound and make you hear one time. In spite of having 2 ears, we don't hear two times. We hear only once, because God has made like that. Both sounds will reach the brain at once, so that you hear at once. So in a binaural coordination hearing aid, both hearing aids will be working together to give you a good hearing. So in this manner, if you take advanced technologies, you have multi-microphone hearing aids, which will be microphones will be specifically focusing on person to person, and in when noisy situations, they will be helping you for further development. So if you see about not only these, there are several other specifications we should be looking for. Specifications what we should look for is, if in simple words, there are some features like you should be looking for is brain hearing technology and true sound technology, pure sound technology, open sound navigators and frequency compressors, auto adjustment systems, environmental optimizers, ultra focus systems, binaural coordination hearing aids, auto enhancement systems. And according to the place, today the multi microphone systems are very common. Everyone should be looking for a good hearing aid. Actually, having a good hearing aid is very compulsory for a healthy lifestyle. In spite, when machine is costly, we are thinking about cost. When we think about cost, we should be getting a good hearing aid in good budget. So in Indian market, depending on the several aspects, every hearing aid company has come with only Asia product. So some hearing aid companies having a product which are specially made for Asia, which subcontinent, where prices will be very competitive and the product will be highly worthy. In spite, you will get a digital hearing aid at the minimum cost of 25,000 also, and also advanced technologies you will be getting at the cost of 35-40,000 only. When you think about most advanced technologies like a brain hearing technology, which will not allow your brain to function more, to stress more, that will be having a very good concept of understanding better, and also open sound navigators with 360-degree hearing, where we don't need to focus more where the sound coming from. The localization of sound also is taken care by a hearing aid. Patient don't need to focus to hear the person. Because of the hearing loss, people tend to speak with a lot of concentration. To speak with some other features like DEX feature, we have dynamic environmental compression system, where the hearing aid works according to the environment. When the noise is more, machine reduces the more sound, and also when you are in a quiet place, it will focus more on speech. So like that, according to some companies, that also will be called as environmental optimizer in some brands. So overall, we suggest you to take a good hearing aid which should be digital, and also it will help you in understanding better in noisy places, which will have a binaural coordination. So in this video we will talk about, we have talked about how hearing aids will help you, what are the cost of hearing aid. In the next video we will be focusing more on most advanced technologies. Thank you.